Yo, what's the dealio, man? Listen, you already know I got a straight banger for you today, all right? So check this out, y'all. In today's video, what we're gonna talk about is we're gonna kind of recap the market today, right, from what happened, but also it's gonna be a little lesson in there, okay? Be sure to be on tonight's live because we're gonna go deeper on this stuff, right? But let me say, nothing that I say in this video is financial advice. If you guys want financial advice, be sure to go talk to a licensed financial advisor. All right. So let's get into it, man. I don't want to waste y'all time. Now, almost every day, I tell you guys, I say, what is the market going to do on the top of the week? Right? Top of the week on Mondays, what is it going to do? Tell me. It's going to retest. Okay. I keep pounding this whole concept of retesting because I want you guys to be able to understand this so that you guys can not get faked out, okay? So you can either make money in the market, lose money in the market, or not make money in the market, okay? Which is not take a trade. So you have a 66% chance of success, right, than you do of losing. Because the only way you lose money is if you take a trade and you lose money, okay? Now that can happen in a multitude of different ways, but let's go to the charts, and I'm gonna break this down for you guys because I told you guys about this and I gave you guys the setup, okay? So, all right, boom. So with that being said, right? So let's look at IWM, y'all, okay? So I told you guys yesterday, on yesterday's live, I said, number one, we was in a bull flag, okay? I said we was in a bull flag right here, right? Y'all remember that? If y'all remember that, let me know. I said we was in a bull flag right here. Okay, that's number one. And then the second thing is I said, okay, we had the last week's low, right? Last week's support. What was it? What was it, y'all? Right here, right? Last week's support. It was 258.10. Okay, 258.10 right here. So the market gaps down. Okay, the market gaps down. Let me just real quick. So the market gaps down today, right? And I said we gotta let the dust settle. We gotta see what happens. But we gap down where? To the weekly support. And then what happens when we gap down to the weekly support? We literally just blast right off. Now, why did we do this? Because we tested the previous support of last week and we bounced up. And then what do we have on the weekly? We have an area of liquidity right here as well. Okay, so on the area of liquidity, we bounced up from right here, blast off. Okay. So that is that. Now, also, when you're looking at this bull flag, every single bull flag has a support level as well. We basically came right down to the support level of that bull flag, and now we pumped up. Okay, so now we're gonna most likely retrace this this candle right here and retest, and then get ready to go higher as well. Okay, obviously, both sides, you know, up calls or puts are always going to be on the table because we're still inside of this range, and we have this area right here as well. Okay, we have this area right here. We have to get above this area right here. Now what we can also do is we can come up to last week's resistance now, and we can reject. Okay, so we're still not in the clear. We still need to get above you know, last week's resistance, which is right here at where we at. What do I put? We got right here at 266.28. Okay, last week's resistance is 266.28. If we get above 266.28, we're going to be on a 2-up candle on the weekly, and then we can make some moves, right? And then we're going to come and test the last month's high, and we're going to see if we reject there or if we go higher. Okay, but it's about the testing of stocks, right? So if you look at SPY did something very similar. What did it do, y'all? It came down to last week's support, okay? Last week's support. And then what did it do? It bounced, right? Look at the weekly, right? I gave this level right below it and then blasted off, okay? So always understand that stocks are always going to be testing. They're always going to be testing. They're always going to be testing. I cannot, you know, drive this home any longer. But when you look at the weekly on SPY, look at all this selling pressure, y'all. Okay. Look at all this selling pressure. So this can be a retest higher just to get ready to come lower. Okay. So we could come up and test the last week's high, and then we could reject that 693, and then we could come lower, or we could break through here and we can go higher, right? But understand that we always are going to be testing a level, whether it's going higher or it's going lower. We can always be testing a level, y'all. That's what I want you guys to always understand and always remember. It does not matter the stock, okay? It could be SPY, it could be IWM, right? It could be in phase, it could be whatever. But if we look at all the levels, we're always going to be testing certain levels. So if we gap down, you got to always ask yourself, where are we gapping down at? Where are we at, right? Are we gapping down below a support level, a strong level? Are we gapping up above a level, right? And then are we going to create a gap, and are we going to come down and retest that? Like, are we going to go up and retest before we reject and come lower, right? You have to think about all these different variables and all these different things, okay? So I wanted to make a quick lesson. We're going to dive deeper into it tonight, all right, on tonight's live. So be sure to be on the live at 5:30 Pacific, 8:30 Eastern Time, 7:30 Central, okay? This video, I wanted to make a quick lesson, but we about to go deeper in tonight, all right? Because I told y'all this week was going to be a very crazy week. Puts are not off the table in the middle of the week, y'all. All right, so we got to make sure we own it and we know exactly what we're doing, all right? So, like I always say, make sure you get up out your head, go get into this world, because your head is a dangerous place to live, all right? And also remember, y'all, the more you study, the less you worry, all right? I'm going to see y'all later on tonight on live. All y'all stay smooth, man. Peace.